Welcome to My Secret Math Tutor. In this example, we're going to look at the product rule for exponents and see how that helps us simplify an expression. So in the example problem we're going to work through, I have negative 2 times x to the 4th, and that's all multiplied by 8 times x to the 6th. Now as we start this problem, one thing you want to notice is that we have lots of terms in here, but all the terms are multiplied. So negative 2 is multiplied by x to the 4th. And that's multiplied by 8, which is multiplied by x to the 6th. Now, you might recall that when you multiply numbers together, the order does not matter. So to help simplify our calculations just a little bit, we're going to reorganize this by putting our numbers next to each other and putting the exponents together as well. Now, we haven't actually combined them. We've really just swapped things around here. So now I have negative 2 times 8 times x to the 4th times x to the 6th. Now these numbers out front, that's not too much of a problem. Negative 2 times 8, that just gives us a negative 16. But when we get to this part and we have x to the 4th times x to the 6th, that's where the product rule is going to come in handy. Here's what the product rule says. When you are multiplying two expressions, they have the same base and they have exponents, then you basically just need to add those exponents together. So to handle this last part, I'm going to take x raised to the power of 4 plus 6. So you can see I've just added these exponents. Alright, let's go ahead and carry that out and get an answer of negative 16 x to the 10th power. And that's our final answer. If you'd like to see some more videos, please visit mysecretmathtutor.com.